Hey everybody, this is Ken again with Xmods Gaming with another video. Yeah, this time I'm just shooting just kind of an odd video. Um, just a kind of just a review, I guess, or unboxing. Yeah, it's gonna be unboxing because I haven't used it yet. So yeah, I got a replacement component video selector switch, aka switch. And these are kind of hard to come by. I went to Best Buy. I don't even sell these in Best Buy anymore. I was kind of surprised because they're still considered HD. So if you have an older HD TV, you're kind of screwed anyway. But I'm pretty sure most people either upgraded or replaced their older HD TV. So I kind of took it as granted because yeah, I'd buy these for my Xbox, my 360, my PS2. At one point I was using it on PS3 even. So if you have these cables, that's why, I happen to be right here near my TV, so I just pulled these out because they're long enough. But yeah, you have the blue, the green, and the red cables, and then you use the just kind of the red and white for the audio. So yeah, that's for my Xbox 360. But I'm in my bedroom. My bedroom's TV where I do most of my gaming. So here's my old switch, and it's a Philips brand. And this one is one of those auto selection switches. And this one went out. So I was like, what the hey? What happened? And I took it apart just to see if I can fix it. And I guess there's a chip on the board that burnt out. That had, it had like actual burn marks on it. So this one's gonna be a manual switch. So I haven't even looked at it. I mean, honestly, this is off eBay. So I just seen tons of these on eBay, and it's probably not as many ports I need. I think it's like a 3-port switch. But I wasn't gonna spend, $30-40 for older technology. And that, I mean, honestly, that's how much I paid on this one. So. But yeah, I figured I had you guys here. I'll unbox it. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is made in China. Yeah, nothing special on that. I'll see if I can get it out. I don't know, it didn't look bad. I thought it was plastic, but it feels like it's made out of metal, which is a good sign. And it's a manual one. So yeah, you got selector 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah, as long as you hear that for a second, it started to scare me for a little bit. Honestly, the build quality doesn't seem bad at all. Definitely, you can tell it's aftermarket. I don't even know who makes it. It doesn't say anywhere on the box. So yeah, it's a 3 input, 1 output switch. Not bad. It is limited. I thought I can probably eventually I'll probably just buy a second one and kind of link them together. That's just kind of another thing you can do. But yeah, if you can't find these, then yeah, don't even bother trying Best Buy. Radio Shack would probably have them if they were still around. So yeah, that's where I got my. Actually, I got one for composite video for the red, white, and yellow cables from Radio Shack before they closed down, like a year before they shut down. So stuff like that you can always get from a Radio Shack. But yeah, nowadays you're just kind of still stuck with, going online. But yeah, it's not as big of a piece of what. But yeah, right there will kind of give you an idea. So I thought I had haven't done videos in a while, so I thought I'd just shoot a video to tell you what I'm up to. But yeah, this Philips one, I bought it brand new like in 05, so I had it for years. So yeah, that would be like, I don't know, 12 years or so. So yeah, so I thought I'd shoot a video on this. So yeah, please rate, comment, subscribe. this is kind of your thing, if you want to see more videos like this, if you want to see a review of it, if it holds up well, just kind of a Fallout video, yeah, let me know. If you don't like videos like this and you are a subscriber and you want to see some more older stuff that I do, you know, if you like the older videos, let me know. But yeah, this is Ken with Xmods Gaming signing out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.